Today, we're going to talk about how much Cardano do you need to become a millionaire? Now, this idea is not a far-fetched thing. We've seen this happen in other cryptocurrencies all the time. And it is very, very possible. So let's dive into this. Do you want to be wealthy? And do you want to know how much Cardano you would actually need to have in your wallet to become a millionaire? Do you want to know more about cryptocurrency? Do you want to know more about Cardano? Do you want to know more about Ethereum? If the answer to all these questions is yes, then you're in the right place. If the answer is no, you can go ahead and turn this off right now. Well, first things first, welcome to Crypto Cart. This is the channel where we talk about cryptocurrency, the latest news, trends, tricks, tips, and ideas in the crypto market. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you can get notified. I upload new videos very frequently. And if you're listening to this on the podcast, make sure that you follow us on Spotify, or if you're listening to Apple Podcasts, we definitely appreciate you. So Cardano is like one of everybody's, well, I'm not going to say everybody, but a lot of people like Cardano, right? So if you're not familiar with Cardano, the basic way that I can kind of break it down to you, especially if you're somebody that's new to crypto, Cardano was created by one of the original developers of Ethereum. So, one of the most successful cryptocurrencies, the minds that were behind that are behind Cardano. Former CEO of Ethereum, to be exact. His name is Charles Hoskinson. And he created Cardano in 2015. And so basically Cardano is the cryptocurrency that kind of sat back and looked at the wins and losses of other cryptocurrencies. Cardano is like a third generation cryptocurrency. So it's the one that sat back and looked at Bitcoin and was like, okay, I like these traits about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, is positive in its utility. Okay, I like that. Litecoin, okay, this caused Litecoin to fail. I mean, I'm not going to go into Litecoin right now, but just know that overall Cardano is a third generation cryptocurrency that has its own built-in algorithm. It has its own what they call the Cardano settlement layer, which, I mean, it just has its own code. Just know that it is an extremely strong cryptocurrency. It was designed not to fail. So in any case, when it comes down to how much Cardano you need to be a millionaire, would 10,000 be enough? I would say maybe. Many people are aware that in a decentralized platform, you have multiple cryptocurrencies. There's not going to be one cryptocurrency that rules all. They'll all get a chance to shine. Not meme coins, but cryptocurrencies that have actual utility, right? And so, you're talking about, you'll hear Polkadot, you'll hear Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. You'll hear these different cryptos. But the point is, Cardano is like a long-term thing. We're estimating at least 4 years, but it's one of the top altcoins. And if you don't know what an altcoin is, an altcoin is basically any other coin besides Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the other coins that one day hope to be one of the top coins. And Cardano is in that category. So during the last bull run, institutional companies, banks, big businesses got involved in crypto, which caused inflation. So during the last bull run, you noticed that a lot of companies were getting involved in buying Bitcoin. So now that bull run, and don't get me wrong, Bitcoin could definitely go on another bull run. But the next bull run, it's going to include Cardano. So what I'm saying is that just like money institutions got involved with Bitcoin and caused inflation, the same thing can happen with Cardano with the next bull run. Now, will it be this one? We don't know. But we're starting to see companies like, Me Too in Asia. They invest heavily in Ethereum. We're seeing Ethereum EFTs. We're seeing Bitcoin EFTs, crypto future contracts. They're increasing. Institutions are getting heavily involved because they see the benefit of investing in this. So if institutions invest into smaller cryptos like Cardano, then now you start seeing Cardano being pushed into a EFT, which would then lead to more investors investing into it. And that's when you start seeing more money. That's when you see a crypto go from $1 to $100. That's when you 100 times your investment. It's not going to be quick, but it will happen fast. And what I mean by that is that we don't know when these companies are going to want to acquire large amounts of these different cryptos. I mean, it just all really depends. I definitely believe that in this year of 2022, we're going to see a lot of that. We're for sure going to see Walmart getting into this because they are spending a lot of money in the metaverse. And as we know, the metaverse, the currency is crypto. Therefore, they have to acquire certain amounts. So if you know that something is going to be in high demand, I most certainly would want a piece of the pie before everybody else wants some, because then my slice of the pie is going to be worth more because of the demand. Hopefully you guys are getting what I'm saying. So how much does it take for you to be a millionaire on Cardano? I'm going to say 10,000. That is my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is CryptoCart. So no matter what you buy, make sure that you have crypto in your cart. Until next time, make sure you guys subscribe. New episodes coming soon. I appreciate you. CryptoCart appreciates you. Peace.